Welcome, I'm David, and today we're going to unravel the first steps of the DevOps world, continuous integration and continuous deployment, known as the CI/CD pipeline. Think of CI/CD as a process that helps software developers make sure their code works well and can be safely added to a larger application. It's like a well-oiled machine that continuously integrates and deploys code. Ensuring everything runs smoothly. Let's start by understanding the very first step, code commit. This is where the coder submits his code in the hopes that it works, but it never does the first time. Submitting is basically code version control in CI/CD. By the end of this short video, you should know more about how to start with CI/CD, CI/CD for beginners, and understanding CI/CD in software development. Some people refer to this stuff under the category of deployment strategies and DevOps tools. Part 2. Automated build and testing. Once code is committed, it undergoes an automated build. Maven, Gradle, Bamboo, and Jenkins are popular here, followed by automated testing. Selenium, Tosca, Test Complete, Catalan Studio, Appium, Cucumber, and Soap UI are popular here too. These are by no means exhaustive lists. These software development build automation steps ensure the code is compiled and free from errors. Part 3. Code merge and bug fixing. Successful tests lead to code merge.
Woo! Yeah!
But if the test fails, there's a bug fixing stage. Looping back to the start. Part 4. Automated deployment and final product. Finally, the automated deployment stage launches the product, culminating in the final product, a key milestone in any software project. Part 5. Conclusion. And that's the basics of a CI/CD pipeline. Each step is vital for efficient software development and deployment. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in more, I have another video about CI/CD coming up next.